RNO TWR, good morning, Saratoga 20885. We're on the right base for runway 16 left.
Saratoga 20885, RNO TWR, runway 16 left, continue.
16 left, continue for Saratoga 20885.
South 3271, traffic's on a 3-mile final, don't delay, wind 0305, 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, you're kind of covered up there, but Southwest 3271, confirm you're clear for takeoff, 16 left.
So it's 3271 affirmative, 16 left, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Clear for immediate takeoff, 16 left, Southwest 3271.
How's that going to work?
Delta 2666 going around.
2666, roger. 2666, do you have the departing satellite in sight?
No, it's just barely under the nose, Delta 2666.
2666, give me your slowest possible climb out.
Yeah, we're doing it.
2666, can you stay in the pattern with me?
I don't know if it's going to work, Delta 2666. We can't do that.
2666, roger. So 3271, give me your best rate to climb out.
Best rate, Southwest 3271.
Fly runway heading, climb maintain 10,000.
Alright, runway heading and up to 10,000, Delta 2666.
2666, that traffic down 12 o'clock, 1 mile, same direction, 6,200 climbing.
Yep, just barely see him off the nose, Delta 2666.
666, maintain visual separation from the 737.
Alright, we'll do our best, Delta 2666.
So, Delta 2666, sorry about that, kind of Norcal departure 119 or .2, let me know you have the 73 in sight.
192, Delta 2666.
So, it's 3271, kind of Norcal departure, see ya.
Norcal departure, Southwest 3271.
Saratoga 885, wind calm or 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 16 left, Saratoga 20885.
Departure, Delta 2666, 9,000 for 10,000 on a 165 heading on the missed approach.
Delta 2666, Norcal departure, radar contact, turn left heading is 040 vector, background.
Alright, heading 040, Delta 2666.
Norcal, Southwest 3271, 9.7 climbing via the ZEFFR 6. Norcal, departure Southwest 3271, 11.8 climbing via the ZEFFR 6.
And then departure Delta 2666. We'd like to plan the RNAV Zulu to 16 left again.
Delta 2666, roger.
Norcal, Southwest 3271, how do you hear?
Southwest 3271, Norcal departure. Loud and clear. Sorry, had another frequency going with UHF. Your radar contact verifies ZEFFR 6 departure and say altitude leaving.
Yes, sir. Just wanted to make sure everything was working over here. We're out of 13.8, climbing via the ZEFFR 6, Southwest 3271.
South 3271, appreciate it, and your radar contact. Delta 2666, expect the RNAV. You said you wanted the RNAV Zulu to runway 16 left, is that correct?
Yeah, that's affirmative, Delta 2666.
Delta 2666, expect vectors to the final.
Alright, we'll plan that, Delta 2666.
Delta 2666, what was the reason for the go-run?
Well, you cleared a aircraft for takeoff, and he was not even rolling when we were at minimums.
Delta 2666, Roger, they had an aircraft on the runway still?
Yeah.
Okay. Southwest 3271, contact Oakland Center 127.905.
2795, Southwest 3271, it wasn't that bad.